Everyone, today is 8 December 2020 on Tuesday. How's the weather outside? Cold. And which season is running now? Winter season. So student, today I am going to teach you subject math and topic shapes and colors revision. Okay? Which topic? Shape and colors revision. So student, look here. Look this shapes carefully. Take the shape that will come next in the pattern in its set. So student, look this shape carefully and which shape is next in this pattern, tick here. Okay. So which shape is this? Circle. Which shape is this? Circle. Now next, which shape is this? Square. Which shape is this? Square. Now next, which shape is this? Circle. Which shape is this? Circle. Now next, which shape is this? Square. So look here. Here I drawn two shapes, square and circle. So which shape come next in the pattern in its set? Tell me. Yes, circle. Which shape come next in the pattern? Circle. So here we tick circle. Okay. Now next, look here. Next row. Which shape is this? Heart shape. Which shape is this? Heart shape. Now next, which shape? Triangle. Which shape? Triangle. Now next, which shape? Heart. Now next, which shape? Triangle. So student, tell me which shape come next in the pattern in its set? Yes, heart shape. Triangle after heart. Heart, triangle and heart. Next shape is heart. So here we tick correct. Now next, look here. Which shape is this? Circle. Now next, which shape is this? Diamond. Now next, circle. And this diamond. So which shape is come next here? Circle. So here we tick the circle shape. Now next, which shape is this? Square. Which shape is this? Square. And this star shape. Which shape is this? Star shape. Now next, which shape is this? Square. Now next, which shape is this? Star. So student, tell me which shape come next in the pattern in each set? Star? No. Square? Yes. The square is next. Okay. Square, star. Square, star. Then next, square. Okay. Which shape is this? Semicircle. And this diamond. Semicircle, diamond. So tell me which shape is next in the pattern in this box? Semicircle or diamond? Yes, semicircle. So here we tick correct. Okay. Semicircle, diamond. Semicircle, diamond. Then after semicircle. So here we tick. Okay. Repeat again one more time. Which shape is this? Circle. After circle, square. After square, circle. After circle, square. And after square, circle. So here we tick correct circle shape. Now next, which shape is this? Heart. This triangle. This heart. And this triangle. So which shape is next in the pattern in its set? Yes, heart shape. Now next, which shape is this? Circle. This diamond. This circle. This diamond. So which shape is next in the set? Yes, circle. Now next, which shape is this? Square. This star shape. This square. This star. So student, tell me which shape is next in the set? Yes, square. So tick here square shape. This, which shape is this? Semicircle. This diamond. Semicircle, diamond. So what comes after diamond shape? Yes, semicircle. So here we tick correct. Okay. So our next exercise is color the big vase. Color the big vase. So look this picture carefully. So student, which vase is big? This? No. This vase is small. This? Yes. This vase is big. So fill up here color. Fill up the big vase. Big, small. Big vase and this small. Now next, color the heavy fruit. So student, look these fruits carefully. Here I drawn two fruits, apple and pineapple. So tell me which fruit is heavy? Apple? No. Pineapple? Yes, pineapple fruit is heavy. So here we color pineapple. What is this? Pineapple. So here we color the pineapple. Now next exercise is circle the small box. Circle the small box. So here I drawn two box. One is big and other one is small. So which box is small? This? No. This? Yes. This box is small. So here we circle. Small box. This box is small. So here we circle. Now next, look here. Tick. Right. Correct. Okay. The short boy. Here I drawn two boy. Okay. Tall and short. So which boy is short? Tell me. This? No. This? Yes. This boy is short. So here we tick correct. Here we tick right sign. Okay. This boy is short. So here we tick right. Here not right. Okay. And our next exercise is tick the pole on the right. So student, tell me which pole on the right side? This. Yes. So here we tick right. Now next, circle the thick pencil. Which pencil is thick? This? No. This pencil is thin. So which pencil is thick? Yes. This pencil is thick. Look these pencils carefully. Only circle the thick pencil. So circle here thick pencil. This pencil is thick. So here we circle. Okay. Our next exercise is write O for 1. Write O for 1 and M for many things. Okay. So look these pictures carefully. Here I drawn only one cake. So here write O and look here. Here many cake cup. Okay, cake cup. So here we tick write M. Here only one cake. So here we write O. O for 1. And here many cakes. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Many means ज़्यादा. Okay. So here many cakes. So here we tick. Here we write M. M for many. Now next, look here. What is this? Ladybird. And this butterfly. So look these pictures carefully. Which side? Many objects. This? No. This object only one. This is only one butterfly. And this ladybirds many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Many means ज़्यादा. These ladybirds are many. So here we write M. And this side only one butterfly. So here we write O. O for 1. O for 1 and M for many. So look this exercise again one more time. Tick the pole on the right. So look here, this pole on left side and this right side. So here we tick right. Now next circle the thick pencil. So thick, thin. This pencil is thick. So here we circle the thick pencil. Now next write O for 1. Only 1. O for 1. And M for many. Many means ज़्यादा. So here I drawn cake. Look here, only one cake. Okay, so here we write O. And here, look here, many things here. So here we write M. Now next, look here. This side, many ladybirds. And this, only one butterfly. So here we write O. Only one butterfly. So here we write letter O. And this side, many ladybirds. So here we write letter M. So student, look here. Our next exercise is look at the things given on the left. Look these things carefully. And here find the things of the same size and circle them. Look here. Here I drawn night lamp. So which night lamp? Same here. This? No, this night lamp is small. This? Yes. This? Same size. Okay. So here we circle. Same size lamp. This lamp is small and this same size. Okay. And next, what is this? Candle. So, which thing is same here? Which candles is same? This? No. This? Yes. Look here. This candle is same. So, here we circle. This candle is same size. So, here we circle. Now next, which picture is this? Torch. Which picture is this? Torch. So, which torch is same size? This? No. This? Yes. This torch is same size and circle them. Okay. This torch is same. So, here we circle. Now next, look here. What is this? Diya. So, which diya is same size here? This? No, this thing is small, very small. And this same size. Look here. So, here we circle. Same size diya. Now next, which things is same this side? This? No, this is small pole. And this? Yes, these things is same here. So here we circle the same size pole. Repeat again one more time. Look here. Look at the things given on the left. Look here. Here I draw different pictures. Look on the left side pictures. Okay, and find things of the same size and circle them. So look here. What is this? Night lamp. So here we circle the same size night lamp. What is this? Candle. So here we circle the same size candle. And torch. What is this? Torch. So here we same size torch. This torch. Okay. Now next diya. So here we circle this diya. Same size. and what is this? Pole. So here we circle this pole. So student, this all exercise write in your book number 8 and page number 29, 30, 31 and 32.